Before you start your investment journey, let's cover the basics. Understanding mutual funds doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down in simple terms. 1. How do mutual funds work? Mutual funds pull money from many investors to buy stocks, bonds, and securities. Fund managers handle their investments, aiming to grow your wealth. You invest, they manage, and your returns grow over time. 2. Are mutual funds safe? Mutual funds are safe, but they come with some risks. Market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk can impact returns. Always choose funds based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. 3. What is an NAV or a net asset value? An NAV or a net asset value is the price of a single unit in a mutual fund. It's calculated by subtracting a fund's liabilities from its assets and dividing by the total number of units. Simply put, it's the per unit price you pay when buying or selling mutual fund units. What is expense ratio? The expense ratio is the cost of managing the fund. A lower expense ratio means more of your money is working for you. High costs can eat into your returns, so always check before investing. 5. Growth versus dividend fund. What's the difference? In a growth fund, your returns are reinvested, helping your investment grow over time. In a dividend fund, you receive periodic payouts. Growth is great for long-term wealth, while dividend is ideal for those who need steady income. 6. SIP versus lump sum. Which is the right one for you? SIP or systematic investment plan allows you to invest small amounts regularly, benefiting from rupee cost averaging. Lump sum investing is for those ready to invest a large sum at once. Which one is the right one for you? That depends on your financial goals, your cash flow, and how comfortable you are with market ups and downs. Whatever you choose, the key is to start and stay consistent. Samjhe kya? If you like what you heard, then hit like, share, and subscribe to Ask InCred.
Mutual funds are subject to market risks. Please read your documents carefully before investing.